Transair is an intelligent pipe system for the distribution of technical fluids within industrial buildings. Whatever the diameter of the pipe, each Transair system is optimized to ensure a perfect connection. The smooth pipe interior and full-bore Transair components reduce pressure losses to a minimum. Transair aluminum pipe is light and easy to handle. The pipe and fittings are supplied ready for immediate installation. There is no need to weld, solder, glue, crimp, or thread the pipe. The tooling required to install a Transair system is light, compact, and easy to use. Transair aluminum pipe has a protective lacquer coating, QualiCoat certified. There is no need to paint the pipe system after installation. "45-degree elbows, flexible hoses, or bending of the aluminum pipe provides the means to create a bypass with ease and minimum pressure drop. Unlike other technologies which require time to set before pressurization, Transair is ready for immediate startup once the components are connected. The easy addition of a new drop or bypass onto an existing length of pipe is an important consideration for any pipe system. A swan neck built into the brackets are designed for this very purpose. Without the need to cut the pipe. A new drop can be installed in under 7 minutes. Rapid fit connectors are also ready for immediate use, without the need to even unscrew the nuts. A Transair system can be installed, extended, or modified in a fraction of the time needed for traditional installations, so reducing production downtime. Components are also interchangeable and reusable, adding to the system's versatility and cost-effectiveness. Thanks to the quick connection of the components, it is 6 times quicker to install a Transair system than a traditional steel system. For a complete solution, from the compressor to workstations, the Transair range includes a wide variety of complementary accessories. Thanks to the light weight of the aluminum pipe, which is 4 times lighter than steel pipe, fewer fixing clips are required. Leaks are very expensive. Transair has always been the leader in terms of optimal sealing. Special seals eradicate leaks without the need to tighten components after installation. Transair aluminum pipework protects the network against rust, a common problem with steel systems which leads to reduced flow and a leakage. The aesthetic appearance of a Transair system complements that of an efficient industrial environment. All Transair components are non-flammable with no flame propagation for a higher safety level. 2-year standard warranty. Longer warranty offered if installed by factory authorized installer. Whether an end user, designer, or installer, our teams and distributors are ready to advise you, to help you design your pipe system, offer technical advice, and give you a global solution. Wherever you are, Transair is on hand, with thousands of pipe systems installed in automotive, aerospace, electronics, packaging, printing, and plastic industries worldwide.